Hare Krishna. Text 27, 10th canto, 3rd chapter. मर्तो मृत्युव्याल भीता पलायन लोकान् सर्वान् निर्भयं नातिगच्छ त्वत्पदाब्जं प्राप्य यदिच्छयाद्या सुष्टाशेते मृत्युस्मादपैति. No one on this mental world has become free from the four principles of birth, death, old age and disease, even by fleeing to various planets. But now that you appeared, my Lord, death is fleeing in fear of you, and the living entities, having obtained shelter at your lotus feet by your mercy, are sleeping in full mental peace. Sleeping in full mental peace. बहुत लोग आजकल ये सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, लोगों को नींद नहीं आती है रात को. It's a very big problem in the world. In America also they take some medicines to sleep. People don't get sleep. If the life is disorganized, we don't get sleep. We should have proper eating, proper mating, proper defending, then we'll get proper sleep. है ना? अच्छी नींद के लिए पहले खाना ठीक होना चाहिए, अपना को सुरक्षित होना चाहिए. अगर डेंजर है तब भी नींद नहीं आएगा, है ना. And then our relation to opposite sex should be controlled, then we will get sleep. Otherwise, if the heart is disturbed, how we can sleep? Correct? If we are not secure, if our life is not organized and disciplined, then mind is not peaceful. How can you sleep? So why the mind is disturbed? Because I break four regulative principles, the mind becomes injured and you cannot sleep. है ना? No intoxication, no gambling, no meat eating, no illicit sex. Then you can sleep. Otherwise the heart will be burning. I want to see that girl, I want to see that girl. How can you sleep? You cannot sleep. Your mind will be blowing or burning. You cannot get sleep. So anyway, here even more reason and there, the birth, old age, disease, death, these are the immediate is, see, already we have a problem, we create more problems. वैसे ही दुनिया में शांति नहीं है. यहाँ मृत्यु है, यहाँ बुढ़ापा है, यहाँ बीमारी है, यहाँ पुनर्जन्म है. हम तो इसके अलावा और प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर देते हैं. दिस वर्ल्ड ऑलरेडी देयर इज प्रॉब्लम. देयर इज डेथ इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम. Old age is a big problem. Already we have a lot of problems. Diseases, the whole world is scared of diseases as if this is the only disease. There are so many more, don't worry. इससे भी dangerous diseases हैं. There are so many diseases in this world and people have been dying. ऐसा थोड़ी था कि इसके पहले हॉस्पिटल खाली पड़े थे, अभी भरने शुरू हुए. पहले भी भरे हुए थे. नहीं, लोग ऐसा सोच रहे हैं ये चला जाए तो सारा प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो जाएगा. अरे द वर्ल्ड इज फुल ऑफ डिजीजेस. पीपल आर थिंकिंग इफ दिस कोरोना वायरस गोज अवे देन वर्ल्ड विल बी पीसफुल. देयर आर एनफ डिजीजेस, डोंट वरी. बिफोर दिस कोरोना वायरस आल्सो पीपल आर गेटिंग डिजीज एंड डाइंग. श्री राधा गोविंद की. द बिगेस्ट डिजीज इज हार्ट. दे आर हैविंग हार्ट प्रॉब्लम्स, किडनी प्रॉब्लम्स, है ना. सो कैंसर प्रॉब्लम, सो मेनी डिजीजेस आर देयर ऑलरेडी. ऐसा नहीं कि इससे भयानक है वो. लोग ऐसा सोच रहे हैं बस ये चला जाए तो सब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी, फिर शांति से सो जाएंगे. नहीं है, इस दुनिया में शांति से सोने के लिए नहीं हो सकता है. ये गलत जगह आ गए. शांति से सोना तो इस दुनिया में क्यों आए? ये दुनिया में शांति है ही नहीं. हाँ, कृष्ण जी क्या बोलते हैं सर्टिफिकेट? दुखालयम अशाश्वतम. ये है ही दुख की जगह है. दुख में मतलब कैसे सोओगे? दुख में नींद नहीं आएगी. अनाशाश्वतम, टेम्पररी है. इतना चिंता रहता है. So in this world we get only pain, pain and more pain and in more pain. This is the nature of this world, and this world is very temporary. So it creates so much difficulties. So how can somebody sleep peacefully in this world? Correct? Meditate on this very nice point. We cannot sleep peacefully in this world. We don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. Padam padam yat vipadam na tesham. है ना? Bharam udvato vimudhan. So much anxiety we are taking in this world for our maintenance. So much anxiety is for maintenance. we have this thing, we have that thing, anything can collapse. There was two richest person in India, the brothers. One is almost become bankrupt now. He was the second richest person of India, correct? The elder brother is still doing well, but the younger is gone, correct? His word is very unpredictable. You have invested large amount of money, tomorrow shares will collapse. Anna? It is possible. You get stuck up. You buy some piece of land, papers are bad. Just stuck up now. Now you cannot sell that land, you cannot do anything on that land. होता है नहीं, फंस जाते हैं लोग. So in this world it is like that, very unpredictable. Anything can happen. We had that person build a beautiful house. The first day the wife committed suicide there. First day. Anna? What he can do? So many difficulties are there in this world. And there is anxiety. And we cannot sleep peacefully. Actually in this world, peaceful sleep is not possible. Whatever you do, there is an anxiety. But only thing is that as we enhance our capacity, we can live with some anxiety. Just like aeroplane when you sit, that air hostess, what do you call air hostess? Yeah, she comes. She says, if there is a problem, jump from here, jump from here. She tells all that. You wear that belt, we will land on water, so you should do this. When you hear that, what do you say? दरवाजा खोलो मैं बाहर निकलूंगा बोलते हैं क्या? नहीं. What do you do? We accept that risk. That is called acceptable risk. We have a capacity to handle that. You accept that as risk part of life. If it is too much, you will not be able to accept. You will come out. That's like on battlefield when the warships go, they can be shot down. The risk is much, much more. You will not be able to go. You will panic. They know when a soldier goes, he knows he may die today. Correct? But still he goes. Because his capacity is a little more. Your capacity is not that much. Kshatriya can handle more risk. You are a Shudra. Shudra cannot fight. Shudra is always panicking. You give him a gun, you put him on the battlefield, he'll pass urine there out of fear. His hands are actually shaking. Because he's a Shudra. Shudra has no capacity to handle more fear. Correct? Kshatriya can handle more. Vaishya can handle Vaishya. Shudra can only take employment. Like nowadays, they're getting salary, all employees, without anything. That's what is happening. Companies are closed. They're sitting at home. Companies making zero money, but still paying. And they're happy. No tension. But tension who is taking? That employer. Businessman taking tension. It can happen, anything like this can happen any day. But he's taking the tension and he's paying the employees. You understand? So Shudra cannot handle that much tension. You buy some product from one place. What is business? Krishi. You put agriculture. It may collapse. Some pest may come. Go Raksha. Correct? Cow may not give milk for some reason. Vanijyam. You do some trade. But true, it is much more secure than the modern day of anxiety. Modern day is Ugra Karma. Any business means Ugra Karma. Too much anxiety. Therefore, Vedic culture recommends us to do Krishi, Goraksha, Vanijyam. And today, seeing the situation, most of the temples are feeling, we didn't make a farm. At least 4-5 acres farm every temple should have. I feel with present situation as soon as possible. Why? है ना? Your food is secured. कुछ नहीं है, वगैरह को लेके खेत में चले जाओ. वहाँ पे अपना क्या ना, अभी शहर में रहने का मतलब क्या है? कोई आ नहीं सकता, आप जा नहीं सकते. मतलब क्या है ना? खाली रेंट देने का बस. देयर इज नो पर्पस ना. गांव में जाओ, वहाँ खेती करो, खाओ. टेंशन तो नहीं है खाने का, है ना? यहाँ खाना खरीद के लाओ, कोई मंदिर नहीं आ सकता. शहर में रहने का एट प्रेजेंट देयर इज नो बेनिफिट. नॉट ओनली नाउ, 3-4 महीने ऐसा ही रहेगा. Even if the disease goes away, people are panicking. People will not come to temple. Even if they come, mask लगा के दूर दूर बैठेगा 1-2 आदमी. No visitor. We may get some regular congregation just to see us, not to for temple. How are you? Are you fine? Just to see, out of affection they can come. True? So anyway, point was that in Vedic time, the anxiety was lesser. People could sleep peacefully. Life was very structured and organized. There is anxiety in this world, but let us not increase the anxiety. Ugra Karma means we are increasing the anxieties. Instead of farming, abhi the laborers are there who are working in the cities. 3 months or 2 months they have stayed without food and water in some kind of shelter. Without any proper food, proper water, no proper bathroom, nothing, no facilities. and they are going back, they are not able to go, they will go back definitely, and there are no train by buses, they are taking them within next 10-15. They are not going to come back. They will not like to come back for some good time unless forced. They will like to sit there only now. Maybe agriculture will get a more boost now, है ना? So if you have farm, you have an anxiety but less. Hard work is there, but body is meant for hard work. Actually, today what they're happening in artificial civilization, people are avoiding the hard work of the farm. Farm means lot of hard work is there. But then, their health is getting spoiled in the city because of without any work, then running on the treadmill. Instead of that, why don't you work like that? Prabhupada, when he was in the morning walk somewhere, one city, he saw some people running on the road. So Prabhupada, why don't they work on the farm? That they don't like, this they like. What is the nonsense? You have to do hard work because body is getting sick. So work on the farm. That is more logical, correct or not? Actually, everybody should grow his own food. Today people do not know how food is grown. People don't know how food is cooked also. Simply they want to eat. What is the nonsense? Why somebody should feed you? I should grow my food, I should cook my food, I should eat. Why I should be a parasite on anybody? True? That's what the civilization today is, a parasite civilization. I should grow the food, I should cook the food, and then I should eat. Logical, no. That's a Vedic time, everybody will have total food security. He grows the food, he cooks the food, and he eats it. Today people don't know how to cook food, they know how to eat. And forget about people and hardly anybody knows how to grow. Previously everybody used to know. In fact, this nonsense education system, everybody in the village has a free education today by government. But the value system is so bad, he is not going to go back to the village. After education, he wants a job in the city. He is not going to go back. They give artificial value to the so-called jobs in the cities, nonsense jobs. And the most sattvic job, imagine working with a cow and a bull on the land, is so sattvic, so pleasant. But he works with the machines in the city. That's all Ugra Karma. Prabhupada said they are like hells. All these industries are actually, when you work, you will understand, the same man working in a factory for 1 month, put him on the field. Smile will come on his face. So pleasant it is. है ना माताजी? है ना? Fresh air, fresh land. है ना? सेम आदमी को फैक्ट्री के अंदर डालो, सेम आदमी को खेत में डालो, मुंह में मुस्कान आ जाएगी, है ना? खुश हो जाता है आदमी. But we have created some artificial civilization. You come to city, government will give you free rice. किसी तरह ऐसा करो कि वो, अरे बाबा, when I'm getting free rice, why do I work on the farm? ऐसा बना देते हैं सिविलाइजेशन कि लोग खेत से बाहर निकले और फैक्ट्री में आके अपनी ज़िंदगी नष्ट करें. सोच, हेलिश लाइफ, इतना मुश्किल जीवन, उसके बाद शाम को दारू पी के सो जाते हैं. And that's what happens. You ask any person working in factory, why do you drink? He says, how can I live otherwise? Getting so bored of their life. They get sick and fed up. There is no pleasant life. And then they are outside the watch of the parents in the cities. They do all sinful habits. गांव में क्या होता है, कुछ गलत करोगे पूरे गांव को पता चल जाता है. One village is like one big family. Everybody is watching. Everybody knows each other. आप कुछ उल्टा काम नहीं कर सकते. People are watching. But when the same youngster come to city, कुछ भी कर सकता है, कोई देखने वाला है ही नहीं. So life becomes, easily degraded. People get into any bad habits. So that because it is organized life, because it is Ugra Karma, because there is sinful activities, people don't get peace. In the Vedic culture, my proposal is there much more peace, sir. Correct? The Prabhupada used to say, why did Prabhupada ne itne farm communities क्यों खोले? And Prabhupada kept telling, have food security. The artificial civilization will collapse any day. Any day. Suppose there is a war and petrol is stopped. Take another reference. Now today petrol is selling for negative rate. People are joking, petrol भरो और पैसे भी लो उससे. That's not, they're not going to give you, but negative rate तक पहुंच गया. But anyway, the point is that, suppose go reverse side, there is some war. Always Iran, America want to fight. Anybody, nature, material world is war. War means no petrol will move. All cities will become hell then. Because cities are artificial life. इतना ट्रक अंदर बाहर आना पड़ता है, then city can live. Vegetable चाहिए, grain चाहिए, कुछ नहीं बनता उधर. It's artificial life. So Prabhupada said, have security of food. You may have problems anytime. He is seeing very coolly. Therefore he created farm communities. Now many temples are understanding, okay, there was a problem, but it was, we can manage. But if there's little more, some another way angle, we have the problem of food security. Prabhupada not only went to that, he said not only we should have farms, we should have license for guns also. He said there will be so, you read that? There will be so much tamasha that there will be no food, people will start looting. And people will attack your farm communities for food. So you have to protect yourself. Guns bhi rakhne ka. Prabhupada said, he thought about much more larger perspective. Have farm communities and have protection. Then you can sleep in peace. Idea is that agar we can, if I cannot sleep peacefully, what is the use? क्या जिंदगी, इतनी चिंता कि मेरे को नींद भी नहीं आए, है ना? So what we should do therefore? First thing we should chant Hare Krishna. Purify the heart. Once the heart is pure, I can sleep peacefully. Because then when a heart is pure, I develop dependence on Krishna. And I can sleep. Even in midst of greatest anxiety. Prahlad Maharaj was sleeping peacefully. Every day father was trying to kill him. He was sleeping peacefully. He was not even getting angry at his father. What to do? He is Asura, what else he will do? Very peacefully. So we should develop in Krishna consciousness so that we can sleep peacefully. And that's what he's saying. Bhi api yad vibheti. Fear personified is scared of Krishna. Fear is scared. Everybody is scared by fear. But fear is scared of Krishna. Correct? That's the kind of words which are used in the shloka. No one in the material world has become free from the four principles of birth, old age, disease, death, even by fleeing to the various planets. But now they appeared, my Lord, death is fleeing in fear of you. Death is fleeing in fear of you. And the living entities, having obtained shelter at lotus feet by your mercy, are sleeping in full mental peace. Okay? So if you invoke Krishna consciousness, we become free from fear. ये भक्त के लक्षण है. Vita raga bhaya krodha. Vita means to become free. Bhakta should become free from three things. What are they? Attachment. You should have attachment only to Krishna. No use any other attachment. Krishna will teach you. Raga bhaya, fear. Devotee should become free from fear. The symptom of advancement are these three. Free from attachment, free from fear, and free from anger. That means person is advancing. Correct? You should not have any attachment. Attachment is to Krishna. You should not have any fear. What scared of what? Krishna is the protector. And anger. Why frustrated? Anger comes out of frustration. Why you are frustrated? You are fortunate to get shelter of Krishna. Correct? Be happy. Now, ant will do work of ant, elephant will do work of elephant. Now you cannot do the work of elephant. Don't compare. Do what you can do and be happy, peaceful. But try to do what you can do. Correct? So not that when you are serving Krishna, we don't do good service. The Goswamis slept for only 2 hours. They were whole day engaged in doing service. They did something for Krishna. So life is short, but let me do something for Krishna. Not that just live and sleep. I do something for Krishna. When I want to do something for Krishna, definitely then we organize our service, we work hard. Hai? Health is also good. So Vita Raga Bhaya Krodha. So we should be free from these three things. Then we know we are advancing. So because of unorganized society today, there is so much anxiety. People have anxiety for their livelihood. In Vedic culture, there is no anxiety for livelihood. You are a child, you know, father's farm is there, I'll work. There is no anxiety. Just like some people have father's clinic. They have no anxiety. When I grow up, I'll work on father's clinic. Correct? But today it's not like that. It's too much anxiety. है ना? बेटा पढ़ नहीं पढ़ेगा, जॉब कहाँ मिलेगा? टेंशन. पहले ऐसा नहीं था. Live a peaceful life. Food security is there. Today there is no food security. There is so much anxiety. And then first thing, people are living in a Ugra Karma civilization. They have to work 18 hours to get their meal. Not good. Too much anxiety. And they may not get job itself. यही बड़ा चिंता है मेरे को जॉब मिलेगा. बहुत लोग बैठे हैं, जॉब नहीं है. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना. वैदिक कल्चर में ऐसा कोई चिंता नहीं. But people do not want. Even if suppose farm is there, people don't work in farm. इतना मेहनत कौन करेगा? नहीं, खेत है. Many people have farm at home. In Bangalore, how much you see such a green, such a fertile land? Who is doing? Nobody is doing agriculture. Interior में भी चले जाओ, कोई खेती नहीं कर रहा. सब बंद कर दिया है. बकवास. सबको मोबाइल चाहिए. आजकल 2 चीज़ चाहिए. खाना चाहिए, एक मोबाइल चाहिए. बस और कुछ नहीं. खिला दो बस मोबाइल से, वो पूरा दिन उसमें ही रहेगा. क्योंकि उसमें चारों चीज़ है. उसमें ईटिंग भी है, यू कैन ऑर्डर फूड, स्लीपिंग भी है, मेटिंग भी है, लड़कियां देख सकता है, डिफेंडिंग भी है, पुलिस को कॉल कर सकता है. दैट इज हिज लाइफ. So people just want to live by that, but it's not true. It's not a good way to live. So we should have good engagement in devotion service. We should feel a very organized life. We should live a pure life and totally depending on Krishna, trying sincerely to please Krishna. When you're sincerely trying to please Krishna, then we come on a spiritual platform. Actually, this world is full of fear. You can be out of fear only on the spiritual platform. Just like आप ट्रैफिक चला रहे हैं, एक व्हीकल ऊपर आ रही है, अपोजिट आ रही है, यू हैव टू, हाउ यू बिकम फ्री फ्रॉम फियर? हेलीकॉप्टर लेके हवा में चले जाओ, देन हो गया, नो टेंशन. नो, नीचे ट्रैफिक जैम है, आप हेलीकॉप्टर लेके उड़ गए, छुट्टी. सो दुनिया इज ऑल ट्रैफिक जैम, इज ओनली टेंशन. बट इफ यू कैन कम टू स्पिरिचुअल प्लेटफॉर्म, किसी तरह स्पिरिचुअल प्लेटफॉर्म में पहुंच जाओ, सारी चिंता मिट जाएगी. करेक्ट? बट फॉर रीचिंग स्पिरिचुअल प्लेटफॉर्म यू हैव टू सेटिस्फाई कृष्णा. Krishna has to smile. Very nice. But for that, effort has to be there. देखो, प्रभुपाद जी को खुश करना, गुरु को खुश करना, कृष्ण को खुश करना मजाक नहीं है. वी कैन नॉट फ्लैटर दम. ऑर्डरी आदमी को, अरे प्रभु जी आप कितने सुंदर दिख रहे हो, बड़ा स्मार्ट लग रहे हो, ऐसा बेवकूफ़ बना के खुश कर सकते हो. बट गुरु को नहीं, कृष्णा को नहीं. यू कैन, प्रभुपाद यू कैन नॉट मेक, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी ग्रेव. You have to do something really genuine, serious to please them. Correct? Therefore, Prabhupada said brahmachari should always be full of energy, not dull. Always full, enthusiastic. Why? He wants to please Prabhupada. He wants to please Krishna. So always fresh. Prabhupada said, where are you? Yes, ready. क्या करोगे? You'll not be able to do anything. You should be full of energy, enthusiastic. And then once Guru Krishna please, then smile will come on your face, because at heart there is happiness. Correct? Person who has pleased Krishna has always happiness in his heart. His heart is pure and his heart is full of happiness. Correct? So that then we can sleep peacefully. So when Krishna descends in the heart, then there is peace. Same way, when Krishna descended in this world, Vasudeva was saying they were full of anxiety. Imagine there's 6 children that can kill in front of them. What is the condition of mother? उसके सामने 6 बच्चों को मारा गया, क्या हालत होगा उसका, देवी की. There is so much pain. When Krishna has come, finding so much peace. That is Krishna. That means Krishna has arrived. In fact, we say the proof that bhakti has reached. कैसे मालूम कोई भक्त बना है? First thing, you should be free from all anxiety. That means bhakti has started. That's the proof bhakti has started. He is now coming on a spiritual platform. What is the proof? Bhakta means he is on a spiritual platform. What is the proof he is on a spiritual platform? He is totally peaceful now. अरे मैं हेलीकॉप्टर में, अरे देखते टेंशन क्यों अब तेरे को? तो अब तो हो गया ना, ट्रैफिक जैम है, कौन है ट्रैफिक जैम? You are still in tension, means you are still on the ground only. So when you lift on the spiritual platform, all material anxieties vanish. The Shinnobai person is very peaceful. The first proof that I have taken to spiritual life, first proof that I have taken to the right process. बहुत सारे process है भक्ति के. But why Prabhupada says it's the best process? Because by following this process, we become free, totally free from all anxiety, and we become happy and peaceful. So we chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. ठीक है? And what the first result of that will be, you can sleep peacefully. People are not getting even peace. They cannot sleep. Srila Prabhupada ki. Srila